We are going to learn how to pay our property tax online. First, visit the Akola Municipal Corporation website. Then go to e-Services menu. Then click on Pay Property Tax menu. Search Property dashboard will open. Here, if you want to pay by property number, select property number from drop-down. Then select zone and ward number from the drop-down menu. Then enter your property number and click on search. Your property details will appear. Now click on View Demand. You can now see all your property details. To check your demand bill details, click on View Demand Bill button. You can also print the demand bill by clicking the Print button. To pay your bill, first select Online from drop-down. You can choose to pay full or part from the available options. Here, we are paying full amount. Now click on Pay button. You will be asked for confirmation. On clicking OK, you will be redirected to Payment Gateway page. Here you can choose your payment option and proceed to payment. After successful payment, you will be able to download your receipt.